90% of people buy from brands they trust. As a coach, is your content building that trust? Meet Sarah. She's an amazing coach with incredible results, but online, she was invisible. Fast forward to today, Sarah's calendar is fully booked. What changed? We'll stick around to find out. Like many coaches, Sarah thought her certifications and experience were enough to build authority, but posting sporadically and relying on her qualifications wasn't connecting with her ideal clients in her audience. Does that sound familiar? Well, let's explore why this happens and how you can fix it. Many coaches rely solely on credentials to establish their authority. While those are important, they don't connect emotionally with potential clients. Clients want you to understand their struggles and have the tools to help them. People buy solutions, not resumes. So how do you show your audience that you're the coach they need? Building trust and authority is about showing, not telling. Your content needs to highlight your expertise and point of view while proving you understand their pain point. Let me show you how you can do this step by step. Deliver them some value through client success stories. Share real transformations. For example, one of Sarah's clients, Lisa, struggled with burnout. After implementing a simple 3-step self-care routine, Lisa had more energy, slept better, and even got a promotion. Stories like these make your expertise real. Educational content. Answer the audience's question. For example, create a post titled 3 Ways to Stop Procrastinating and deliver simple, actionable tips. Your unique framework. Your unique formula. Break down your unique process and share it. For instance, Sarah shared her 5-step wellness reset framework to give her audience a sneak peek into how she works. Consistency. Consistency is key. Whether it's weekly Instagram posts, blogs, or videos like this one, showing up regularly builds your credibility. Here's a pro tip. Use visuals. Think about before and after graphics, explainer videos, or even simple sketches like these that can help your content stand out from the crowd. So, how did Sarah turn things around? Well, she stopped relying on her credentials and started connecting with her audience. Through consistent content, real client wins, and her unique coaching process, she slowly but surely built trust and authority. What's your next step? Think about one client success story that you can share this week. Whether it's a blog post, a social post, or a short video, start showing your expertise. Step-by-step guidance and tools, hit the subscribe button and check out this next video that YouTube says will help you on your content creation journey.